Flywheel is back from the machine shop. So today we're gonna probably finish up the clutch side of everything, and the cylinder head is actually also done, so I gotta go pick that up today. Actually it was pretty quick too. It didn't take them very long. It took them a day. I had them do the valve seals on that, and I also took the valve train parts, whatever, the cam, got all that stuff cleaned up as well, just so that it looks nice when I go to put it all together. Gotta grab my tools out of my car. Go ahead and preset your timing here. You can kind of see the point there. Go ahead and grab our clutch kit. A lot of these kits come with a throttle bearing, so it's good to double check them, make sure they're the same. On this one, it looks like these springs hold it in. And other than that, that's pretty much it. So we're just gonna go ahead and undo those. It's pretty easy. Springs out, slides right off. So go ahead and grab the new one. So you set right here. What I did here is I went ahead and lifted this up with something. Maybe have someone helping you could work as well. And then I just hook this in here and pull the spring. Here's that side. I'll do the other side. Both the spring hooks are on. Now we're gonna go ahead and make sure that everything slides and moves good. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all this crap off of here, and then that's good to go. The clutch alignment tool wasn't the right size, so we went ahead and taped that up with some masking tape, get that to fit. Nice and pressed up against there, and then you can put your pressure plate on. I got a cool little comic here from Exedy. This is all obvious stuff. Keep it clean, use your alignment tool. Sometimes these kits come with shit like this that I can't do anything with. There is no input shaft bearing or pilot bearing or whatever they call it on these. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 12.10, and we're going to start tightening these down in a cross pattern or a diagonal pattern. Alright, so now I just make sure that these bolts are all tight. I like to use impact because I'm lazy, but you can use a breaker bar or a torque wrench as well. But it's always something to think about with how much torque you're putting on these. If you're unsure, maybe you should use a torque wrench. So, well, that's pretty much it. Everything's tightened up, so you can go ahead and pull your clutch alignment tool out now. And double check your mark for top dead center, because why not? Alright. Well guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing hopefully the cylinder head and timing belt next.